Welcome to Smart Homes. You might have seen our warehouse bursting with new arrivals. We've just received a fresh consignment of stunning pieces, and we've got everything you need to elevate your spaces, from smart home fittings and finishes to luxurious bathroom and kitchen fixtures, plus dazzling lighting solutions that will add that wow factor to any room. I'm excited to explore some of these gorgeous pieces with you today. Champagne Gold Bathtub. This champagne gold bathtub is an absolute gem. Its smooth oval shape creates a unified display that blends soft luxury with nature-inspired accents. It's perfect for master or guest in suite bathrooms where subtle elegance is preferred. This piece will shine in marble accentuated spaces, but it can also be applied to a white bath setting for that clean, sophisticated, subtle appeal. The marble patterned toilet seat. I've paired this bathtub with this gorgeous marble patterned toilet seat. The earthy tones and stone-like finish bring a sense of sophistication and contrast to the gold accents. It gives off the stone sculptured functional fittings vibe. It's also a piece that shines in those well-lit bathroom environments for that clean, glossy, reflective finishing. Golden marble basin. And to complete the look, this golden marble basin is a real showpiece. These pieces together would fit right in any luxurious hotel or a high-end home and would give your bathroom a really classy designer look. The beauty of these pieces is that they can be mixed and matched to create different looks. Where a more subtle, minimalistic, elegant look is preferred, the same basin can be paired up with a clean white bathtub for that toned down but still elegant, sophisticated look. We are here to help you bring your vision to life. Send us photos or videos of your spaces you are looking to elevate, and we'll share our expert advice on how to style them with our new arrivals. And don't miss out on these stunning new pieces. Visit us at our Smart Home Designer showroom at 86 Lomagundi Road today and experience the latest editions of our collection.